dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, my role models, my mentors, my peers, and my proteges. I stand here representing each one of you as you have ascended up, ascended from being unconsciously incompetent to being unconsciously competent today. We all evolve and grow to reach a stage where we are today. Our aim in life should be that I should be better today than I was yesterday, and I should be better tomorrow than I am today. Each one of us are here to improve not just ourselves, but society in general. और ये कैसे होगा? This can only happen when we begin our journey, our pilgrimage, with the question of why. Why are we here? Please remember, why is the purpose? How is only a process, and what is a product. We may enhance skills with our hands, but we optimize care with our heads and our hearts. It's when you know and have clarity of purpose, would you then follow discipline in the process, and only then would you have consistency in your product. जब आपका दिल आपके दिमाग और देह को एक साथ चलाता है, तब आप इस दुनिया को बदल सकते हैं. Remember, you've come into this world to make it a better place than when it was when you came in. And you can only do it when you use your heart. We are all surgeons here. It takes 3 years, young men, and I quote Henry Marsh, the man who wrote Do Not Harm. He was Dr. Henry Marsh, a respected neurosurgeon. And what did Dr. Henry Marsh say? In that lovely book called Do No Harm, he said, it takes 3 months to learn how to do an operation. It takes 3 years to know when to do an operation. And young men and ladies, it takes 30 years to know when not to do an operation. Today, we should understand that our allopathic surgical care and medical care is an evolving science. We have to integrate this science with something beyond, not just our hands. It's the soft skills. It's how we handle each other that matters. Please remember, we are all here to share care. And when we can convert the I-ness, the ego, personal false ego, into the togetherness, the collaboration, the we, will illness become wellness. Please, friends, it's time that we work together towards making this a much, much better and healthier place to live. Integrate holistic approach to whatever we do in patient care, in care for society, care for people around us. Any sentient being has to be cared with the same love and affection. Give it all that you've got. Offer selfless service to society and the Supreme. That will only give us that feeling of yagna or sacrifice for which we are born. Friends, it's high time we move from giving pity to empathy, from giving sympathy to compassion. It's time that we move from just a contact or a sanjog with our patients to a yoga jog or a communion with our patients. भाई और बहनों, क्रिया बहुत हो गई, बहुत ड्यूटी कर ली, अब समय है थोड़ा कर्म करने का. मूव फ्रॉम क्रिया टू कर्मा. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.